Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to get a Ford Transit spare wheel off. First, secure the vehicle by parking on level ground, engaging the handbrake, and placing chocks. Locate the spare access point under the rear or beneath the van and clear any debris. Keep tools handy and wear gloves to protect your hands. Working methodically will make lowering and removing the spare safer and simpler for you. Locate the spare access point beneath the rear of the Transit by checking under the bumper near the tow hitch or center floor area. Remove any covers or obstructing clips to reveal the winch bolt or lowering mechanism. Keep a flashlight handy to inspect tight spaces and clear away dirt so the tool fits properly. Confirm the spare's orientation before you start lowering to avoid twisting cables or snagging the wheel. Please subscribe and like if this guide is helping you keep your Transit ready and safe. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes workshop cleanup effortless with voice control and smart mapping, which is handy after tire changes. I love how it picks up grit and metal filings so you don't track them into the van. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the lowering tool engaged, turn the screw or key slowly to release the winch that holds the spare. Keep one hand ready to steady the wheel as it descends and watch for cables or retainers that might catch. When the spare is on the ground, undo the retaining bolt or clip fully and slide the wheel clear to the side. Store the mechanism cover back in place after removal to prevent road grime buildup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.